Greetings everyone, I am Muhammad Haziq bin Sazali with my supervisor Dr. Zarul Fitri Zabba, and this is CyberWise, an interactive cybersecurity platform for human-centric threat prevention. We are from University Science Malaysia. Have you noticed that almost every week there will be news on human-related threats that are harming our fellow Malaysians? They are losing hundreds of thousands ringgit. Even lecturers and company directors are included, let alone the elders and students. Well, the harsh truth is, Malaysia is facing a cybersecurity crisis where we are losing billions to human-centric cyber threats. In 2024 alone, over 47,000 cybercrime reports were filed, with losses reaching 1.2 billion ringgit to online scams. Globally, 90% of all data breaches now involve a human element. So this means cyber criminals have shifted their target. They are no longer attacking servers and firewalls, but now they are attacking humans. With all those worrying statistics, CyberWise addresses 4 interlinked problems in the Malaysian cybersecurity landscape. Firstly, the weakest link. Despite our strong technical defenses, humans remain the top cause of cyber incidents, and most users simply cannot recognize human-centric threats. Secondly, ineffective training. Traditional cybersecurity education relies on static materials and one-time sessions, so this leads to low engagement and no real behavioral change. Next is the theory-practice gap. Without realistic scenario practice, users freeze when facing actual attacks. And last but not least, the community isolation. There is no reliable centralized platform for Malaysians to share experiences or learn about emerging local threats. CyberWise was designed specifically to address all 4 of these problems. Therefore, we introduce you to CyberWise, an innovative shield for Malaysians in this digital world. From those problem statements, 4 clear system objectives have been derived, which are to develop interactive learning modules, to design gamified learning contents, to create human-centric threat simulations, and to build a knowledge-sharing platform. The proposed solution CyberWise is a complete two interface platform. The first one is a mobile application for general users, where they can access lessons, games, simulations, community forum, threat trends visualization, and AI-powered features. The other interface is an admin web application for system administrators and content moderators, where they can manage lessons, quizzes and simulations, as well as monitor analytics. CyberWise has real impact for Malaysia as it enhances security awareness, builds community defense, empowers vulnerable groups, free and accessible, and last but not least, it supports our national security. The Agile methodology was used during development, where multiple iterative sprints were done throughout the plan, design, develop, test, and review phases. The system architecture comprises of a React Native mobile application, a React web application, and a backend that includes Next.js web server, Drop AI API, and Supabase as the database. Now, let us see CyberWise in action. This is the learning page where users can learn all the learning modules. The module will consist of an overview, flashcards, videos for visual learning, and a quiz to test our knowledge. The answer for the quiz will be shown at the end, as well as the explanation. This is where the fun comes, the games page. There are a total of 9 fun and engaging games for users to learn cybersecurity with. All the games have different gameplay logics and different mode of fun. The simulations page are where users can learn real-world scenarios such as social engineering attempts, incident response, and also network defense. This is the community page where users can interact with other users' posts by liking, commenting, or sharing on their posts. They can also create their own posts. This is the threat trend visualization page, powered with an AI explainer. Users will be able to learn the current statistics of cyber threat trends in Malaysia, as well as an AI analysis of the threats. Users will also be able to measure their knowledge progress that is powered with an AI study advisor to suggest them their learning pathway. It includes a recommended certifications and the next steps for them. The admin web app is a complete system for users to make changes to CyberWise. It consists of a dashboard, modules where they can edit or add a new module, an analytics page where they can view the current analysis and statistics of users in the system. It also includes an AI-powered insights of the analytics, a notification section for admins to post notification to users, and a content approval page, a community moderation page, a roles page where they can change users' role, and also a complete audit log of everything that has happened in the system. And that is a wrap for CyberWise, where we can stay shielded online.